Hello, my name is Rosie from Nouvelle Medical Spa, and today Janelle is going to perform a Vaser Shape Treatment.
The first step in the Vaser Shape Treatment is the opening of the lymphatics, and we do this in 4 different areas, and that's how we begin the treatment. So following the opening of the lymphatics under the underarms, we now do the bikini line, and as you can see, it's just a very mild section. So the final area is right under the kneecaps, and we treat each area for about 45 seconds to a minute. So this is Tammy's 5th treatment on her inner thighs. And after opening up the lymphatics, we begin the ultrasound massage with a pre-warm, which is basically just getting the area to the heated temperature that it needs to be at.
What do you feel, Tammy?
It's just a warm, like hot rock massage. It's a very comfortable procedure, and like she said, this is my 5th treatment, and I'm very, very excited about the results. So after each treatment, I definitely seen a difference in the texture of the skin, also the inches, which are really amazing on each treatment.
You told me that in the beginning you couldn't put your feet together. They were touching.
Correct.
Right?
I've always wanted to do liposuction, and I've decided to try this treatment instead because I didn't have too much that I just needed improvement on the inner thighs, and the inner thighs were rubbing when I'd wear a dress, and it was very uncomfortable, but now I don't have that problem area anymore.
Treatments are every 5 to 7 days, and we usually like to concentrate on one area of the body at a time to make sure we get the best results, even though multiple areas can be treated, such as the upper arms, the back, the love handles and abdomen, the inner thighs as you can see, outer thighs, and even knees, and also for that stubborn cellulite.
I noticed that this area is getting red. Is it normal?
Yes, it is normal to get red because we are heating at a temperature. But as you can see, the patient is very relaxed and feels no pain.
How does it feel now?
Just like a It's just a warm massage.
Mm-hmm.
No pain.
So the redness will fade away like in 2 hours, or what do you think?
About.
And keeping it at a steady heat is what is recommended. And as you see, Janelle has a very steady hand and keeps the body temperature at about a 46, 47 at all times. And that's how you're going to get the best results. So the last 5 minutes of the treatment, Janelle now we've changed the settings, and we are working on just the main area that I really have the complaint about, where my legs are just maybe barely touching just a little bit. And so we're going to work that area for the next 3 to 5 minutes. And again, as you see, the procedure itself is very comfortable, and no pain involved, and it's just relaxing while she's doing the treatment. During my treatments is the time that I just check my emails, answer emails, and most people will tend to relax and fall asleep, but this is my catch-up time, and answering patients and all my emails for the day.
So this is the very last step to the Vaser Shape Treatment, and this is the draining of the lymphatics that we opened, and basically all the fat that we just shrunk and melted down, we're getting rid of through the lymphatic openings. The body will then recycle that.
Do the patients have to do anything at home? Anything special or not to do?
It's recommended to drink more water the morning of the procedure and increase your fluids definitely for the next 24 to 48 hours. Otherwise, there's not really any preparation. There's no downtime. I go right back to work and go on with my day.
This treatment is not intended to replace liposuction, even though we do treat our post-lipo patients. Its main purpose is to treat those stubborn problem areas that even working out doesn't get rid of.
And you can also start this treatment as early as 5 to 7 days post-op with lipo also.
Would it help for moms that had babies?
It definitely works on postpartum patients for the skin texture, shrinking of the abdomen, and just getting her back into her normal size that she was prior to her pregnancy. Very, very good results.
I also heard that Nouvelle helps moms with stretch marks and loose skin.
Yes, it's very, very exciting. We have started a couple of patients and are doing amazingly wonderful. Just postpartum, we started working with them on their stretch marks and with multiple treatments and with the Vaser Shape, but the stretch marks are coming along amazing. And I even have a couple of patients that, their children are 3 to 4 years old and getting wonderful results.